Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn just how easy it is to create and download a custom piece of music using Beatoven.ai's powerful Maestro model. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure we're using the right tool for the job. On the home screen, look for the drop-down menu right next to the Compose Music button. Click on it and select Beatoven Maestro from the list. Now for the creative part. Click inside the prompt box and describe the music and feeling you're looking for. Once you're happy with your prompt, go ahead and click Compose Music. In just a few moments, Maestro will compose 2 unique tracks for you. Take your time and press the play button next to each one to see which version fits your project best. Found the perfect one? Great. Simply click the download button next to your chosen track. You'll have the option to download it as either an MP3 or a WAV file. Make your selection, and you're all set. And just like that, you have a custom, royalty-free piece of music ready for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Maestro by Beatoven.